Hello, this is a small tutorial on how to create weapon sway, but very easily. I made a tutorial on this a while ago, and then I did some things in Blueprint, but actually I found out that there is a much easier way to do it. It's not as advanced, but it's very quick to set up. So it might be what you're looking for if you're not looking into doing a lot of code for it. And it's also, you can also tweak it. Like for example, if you want it to be very slow, you can do that. And you can also make it, of course, very fast, so that it is barely noticeable. Well, it's still quite noticeable, but yeah, anyway. Alright, let's get going. Okay, so for this tutorial I am simply using the first person character blueprint from the example project. And the only thing we have to do is we need to add a spring arm, and then we're going to add that spring arm to the first person camera, and then we're going to move this mesh 2P to the spring arm. And what we have to do then is we have to make sure that the target arm length is at 0, because we do not want this feature. And then we have to enable use spawn control rotation. We do not want to inherit the role, so we're going to disable that. And then we also want to enable camera rotation lag. And here you can insert a value for how fast you want it to catch up to where you are looking. So the higher this number, the less lag there will be. So let's put that to 0. I mean 30. And then we don't need to do the collision testing, and that should basically be it. Yep, that's it. So yeah, that's all you need to do to make that work. And you can, of course, you can tweak this value. Like if you set it to 200, it should be really fast and subtle. For some reason it's a little bit more noticeable when you go up and down. Not entirely sure why that is, but I mean, it's a very simple solution. It's not very advanced, but it does what it needs to do. So ideally you would set it to something like 50, I would guess, and then basically you have a simple weapon sway. That's it.